Hey everyone, Prestito here. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Near ecosystem. I'm going to be covering everything you need to know to get started and start using it. I'm going to be covering which wallets you need to be using, how to bridge funds, how to buy Near on which exchanges and withdraw it to your wallet. And at the end of the video, I'm going to be talking about my top meme coin picks. And I've actually bet a lot of money on these meme coins, and I'm very optimistic on the future of Near blockchain. If you already know how to use Near and you're already all set up, I recommend skipping to the end of the video to see which meme coin picks I've made. So let's get started and cover a little bit about Near. Actually, I already made a video recently, actually my last video, covering some alts that I'm holding, and I covered Near and I spoke more about what it's all about actually. But as you can see, they've positioned themselves as the blockchain for AI, which is really going to be huge in the near future, in my opinion. But anyways, let's have a look at how you can buy Near. So the most simple way that you can buy Near is you go to Marketer, you go on Binance, you buy Near, and then you simply withdraw it to the Near wallet, the native wallet, which I'm going to be showing you guys. So the first step would be buy Near on Binance, and then withdraw it to either Meteor wallet or my Near wallet. So both of these wallets are really good. I guess Meteor wallet is the leading wallet. They've also got a built-in bridge, which you can use, and they have different features which are really beneficial. So Meteor wallet is highly recommended. I use both Meteor wallet and my Near wallet. It's always nice to have multiple options, and you can easily switch in between. The fees are negligible in Near, so you can just send between the two as you need. So these are the two wallets I recommend to set it up. Simply go to meteorwallet.app, click open wallet, and it will allow you to set it all up. Same thing with my Near wallet. You click on create an account, and as any wallet in crypto, you'll be able to set it up and get going. Then next up is the bridge. So as I said, Meteor wallet does have a built-in bridge which you can use, but I used app.ref.finance, which is the same website as the Dex, the main Dex on Near. And it worked perfectly for me. It was very quick. As you can see here, within 1 to 3 minutes, that bridge will be complete. You connect your Ethereum wallet, and it can bridge straight from Ethereum to Near, and I bridged US dollar in this case, and it was very straightforward, very easy to use. So that is a bridge that I would recommend. So it's very simple actually. That's pretty much how you get started on Near. Once you have all that set up, you can already get going. And also, if you go to Dexscreener, you can actually check out the Near ecosystem and what tokens they are trading, and so on. So you can see one thing that really stands out, and I'm going to be covering this as I'm going to transition to the meme coins I've bought, is there's not many very high market cap meme coins yet on Near. You can see the highest, I think, is actually Forgive Me Father, which is 22 million market cap only. And that obviously is very bullish. There's tons of room for growth. The volume also isn't all that high, so I can really see it growing as Near picks up and becomes more hyped. So here's the tweet I made yesterday covering my holdings and what I've bought. You can see I've bought roughly $30,000 worth of tokens in the Near ecosystem. And it's quite a big bet, but I'm very bullish. And like I say, I'm pretty sure this could easily go to over 100,000 within some weeks as Near picks up more hype. And potentially even higher than that after, if Near keeps going, which I think it will. So let's get started with the meme coins I've bought. So the first meme coin I've bought is blackdragon, and simply put, blackdragon is named after Ilya. His Twitter handle is Ilya blackdragon. He is the co-founder of Near protocol, so obviously that's what makes it really bullish. People see it as the bonk play of Near. As you know, bonk on Solana performed insanely well, and this could follow suit on Near. Also, to add to that, you can see on blackdragon's tweet, Near protocol actually replied to them saying, I think mathematics would therefore dictate that Near equals blackdragon. So obviously it's always a good sign when the official protocol interacts with them. And further to that, you can see here, it was found that a wallet named root.near bought some blackdragon, as you can see over there and over here. And that wallet is actually Ilya's wallet, the co-founder of Near. So if the co-founder of Near bought this, obviously shows you that it's very legit. Also, the chart looks quite pro. That's got a very good distribution, over 200,000 holders. So it's got everything you need to be the top contender for leading meme coin on Near. So you can see the chart. Obviously it's gone up recently, but it has been stable as it's been going up. Obviously this was back in September, August. As hype is growing, obviously the price is growing. And one thing to note is in a bull market, you can't really plan to buy the bottom of a chart. You're just going to have to suck it up and buy where it is if you are bullish on something. Buying the top in a bull market is not always a bad thing. So that's why I'm very bullish on blackdragon, and it's my biggest holding. I bought a ton of it and I think it's going to do very well. The next token I bought is Shih Tzu. So this token actually is really interesting. They've got a lot going for them. You can see the market cap is currently 2.1 million. It's also spiked up quite a bit recently. So like I said before, with the bull market, you can't really time buying the bottoms, but at the same time, you can always wait for an entry or DCA in. Can't go wrong with that. But if we go to Shih Tzu website and click on meme.cooking, they actually built the pump fund version of Near. And that, of course, is very bullish. Obviously, all the chains and new chains that have this as a front runner is bullish. So Shih Tzu have built this, and what's really awesome is that they put 90% of the revenue earned from meme.cooking to buybacks for their tokens. So not 10% or 50%, 90%. It's obviously a huge amount. And if you know what type of fees these platforms earn, if you know what Pump Fund earned, you'd be really shocked. It's hundreds of millions. Obviously, it doesn't have the volume of Solana, but it could pick up in the future. Even if it has 1/100th of the volume, the numbers are insane that will be doing buybacks of the token. Obviously, that's very bullish for the token price. And also the platform itself is really pro. And then also if we go to Shih Tzu's app, their web app that they have built, you can stake over here, buy NFTs and earn tokens and so on. So really bullish on Shih Tzu app. It's my second biggest holdings, and I think that will do very pro. Then the next token I'm going to be covering that I bought also a decent amount of is Nearcat. So Nearcat actually is the first and only official mascot of Near Protocol to this date. And this can be seen obviously with different proofs. You can see on Near's official post, you can see here Nearcat. This was from August 2020, but do note that they did rebrand and now they don't have a mascot, but this can still be seen as the official mascot, and it's come back as a meme coin. As you know, meme coin mascot tokens have been performing incredibly well, so obviously that's very bullish for it. Also, if we go to Nearcat's Twitter and we have a look here, you can see Near Protocol engage with them as well, and also the co-founder of Near Protocol said GM Nearcat, obviously very bullish. So that's why I've loaded up a significant amount of Nearcat. We have a look at the chart. Again, this is up quite significantly over the past few days. I did call it a bit earlier in my channels on Telegram and so on, and it's gone up a bit. Again, with this one, either you're going to end up buying the top and it pumps more, or you can DCA in. You have multiple options. Either way, the fully diluted value is only at 650k for the official Near mascot, and I think that's quite undervalued. We can easily see this going past $1 million short term. I think 10 million even potentially, and even more in the long run. Then the last token I bought is Genier. This one I bought quite a small amount. It's just a more degen lower bet play. But this one is the second AI agent on Near. Obviously there was that Forgive Me Father, that is the number one. But this one is the number two, and it's 500k market cap, quite low. I think this one can also grow up decently. Also the chart looked kind of the safest. It's been quite stable for about a month or so. So this one can also go up significantly. But those are all my picks. I'm very bullish on the Near ecosystem in general. I definitely recommend you guys to look into it at least. And obviously always do your own research. I've done mine and I've concluded that it's worthwhile. And I think you can do really, really pro. I also actually bought quite a lot of Near tokens itself, which I posted on my channels. I bought around $4, so up quite nicely on that. But I think short term it should go past $10. Obviously, everything is very dependent on crypto market conditions in general. If the market stays good, I'm much more confident it'll take off. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Follow my channels. Make sure to also follow all the Memecoin channels if you do end up buying the tokens. And I'll see you guys next time.